Hey everybody, it's Matt. I'm back again with the 69 Roadrunner project, and I've been just waiting for parts. That's why I haven't posted in a while. And here's a batch of, I'm hoping it'll be the cool yellow colored parts that I need, and maybe some orange ones for the engine, and who knows what's in here. Okay. We have the yellow and then some black and some other colors. The orange must be in another batch. That's the wheel arch I needed, or the wheel well in the back. So I'm going to, as I see parts, just sort of group them together. These are those wheel wells I was talking about. I'm going to put those together so I don't lose them. And these parts too, that's part of the wheel wells in the trunk. Those are going to go to the fender aprons. I'm just grouping things together here. I just found the tips of the chrome bumpers that would go on the front of the fenders. Sticking these type of doodads together. Just one of these? I hope there's another one somewhere in here. All right, let's take a look in this bag. Actually, no, I'm gonna look at this. Oh, these things are sweet. These are the best thing since sliced bread. I don't know why Lego didn't come up with these, but these are gonna get me into some tight spots. They have both studs that kind of go up and then studs that go down. These are those same types of parts, but I got them in a green color, and that'll go to some future armor project. All right, anything special in here? Oh, just some flat black panels. Here we have some base plates. The bigger one I'm going to try out as the ceiling inside the roof, and the two other ones are going to be inside the door panels. These are going to go towards the bumper. I was missing a few. Okay, so here are some white parts. And these are just parts I needed in cool yellow, but just could not find, so I'm going to have to dye those. More of those funky pieces that I love, my new favorites. Okay, these will be great for the outer, the body, the fenders, and the doors. I didn't have enough of these, so I had to order some additional ones. Okay, I'm just going to put the things I have and group them up so I'll have them handy when I move on to the next phase. Oh, some black ones like those cool ones. And here's that next phase. This is the trunk. You can see the parts that I needed to replace on the left side, and on the right side are the yellow replacements. This red piece here indicates I still need to get some more cool yellow parts or make my own. We'll jump ahead to show the trunk in the car, and you can also see the rear quarters. And the white is where I'm going to need more yellow parts. So it's looking pretty good back there. But of course, the red that's on top of the wheel wells, got to order some new parts. And I know I've got some new parts on the way. Can't wait to open them. If you want to see how this project turns out, then please subscribe. I also appreciate any shares and likes. Thanks a lot, y'all. Bye.